Hi, I'm Betsy from Graco. I'm going to show you how to assemble and use the Graco Soothe and Sway Bluetooth 3-in-1 swing. Assemble in 3 easy steps. To start, insert each of the legs into the center hub. Next, attach the seat to the base. Now you're ready to use your swing. To adjust the height of your swing, press the gray handle on the front of the base and slide the seat up or down. To recline, squeeze the recline handle here and lower or lift to your desired position. Use the rock lock here to lock out swing motion. To turn on, plug in and press the power button here. Adjust between swing's 6 speeds here. To activate Bluetooth, press here and pair with your Bluetooth-enabled device. This button controls the swing's 4 vibration settings. To save baby's favorite setting, press and hold here. Choose between 9 volume settings here. Press here to play the 9 included songs. For 9 nature sounds, press here. To turn off any of these features, press and hold for 2 seconds. To use as a toddler rocker, unbuckle all harnesses and store behind seat pad here. Now you know how to use and assemble your Soothe and Sway swing.